Welcome. Enjoy English practice.
Reserving a table for dinner.
Good afternoon. Are you open for dinner tonight?
Good afternoon. Yes, we open for dinner at 6 o'clock.
That is great. I would like to make a reservation, please.
I can help you with that. How many people are in your party?
It will be just 2 people, my wife and I.
And what time would you like to come in?
We would like to eat around 7 o'clock.
Let me look at my reservation book. One moment.
Take your time.
Oh, I have a small problem. We are completely full at 7.
Oh no, are you sure? Today is our wedding anniversary.
Happy anniversary! I am very sorry, but we have no open tables at 7.
That is too bad. My wife really wanted to try your famous seafood.
Our seafood definitely hits the spot. Let me see what I can do.
Thank you. I really want to make her happy today.
We have a table open at 8:30. Is that too late?
Yes, 8:30 is a bit too late. We want to see a movie at 9.
I understand. What about coming in early to beat the rush?
What time is early?
I have a very nice table by the window at 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock? That actually works perfectly.
Wonderful. I will put your name down for 6 o'clock.
Thank you so much.
Can I get your first and last name, please?
Yes, my name is Mike Johnson.
Thank you, Mike. Do you prefer sitting inside or outside on the patio?
The weather is beautiful today. Can we sit outside?
Yes, you can. The patio is very romantic in the evening.
My wife will love that. You really made my day.
It is my pleasure. We will bring you a free dessert for your anniversary, too.
Wow, that is so kind of you.
We love celebrating special days here in Seattle.
We are looking forward to our dinner. See you at 6.
See you later, Mike. Have a great afternoon.
Ordering lunch and handling an allergy.
Hi there. Can I sit anywhere?
Hello. Yes, please sit wherever you like.
Thank you. This table by the window is perfect.
Great choice. Here is the lunch menu. Can I get you a drink to start?
I would love a glass of water with ice, please.
Sure thing. I will be right back with your water.
Take your time. I need a minute to look at the food choices.
Here is your ice water. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'm looking for a quick bite to eat.
Our sandwiches and salads are very fast and fresh.
The grilled chicken salad sounds delicious.
It is very popular. It comes with fresh apples and a sweet dressing.
That sounds perfect. I will have that.
Excellent. It also comes with toasted almonds on top. Is that okay?
Oh, wait. Are almonds nuts?
Yes. Almonds are a type of tree nut.
That is a big problem. I am highly allergic to nuts.
I am so glad I mentioned it. We need to be very careful.
Yes, my allergy is bad. Even a little bit makes me sick.
Do not worry. We take food allergies very seriously here.
Can the chef make the salad without the almonds?
Yes, but the salad dressing is made in a factory that uses nuts.
Oh, I see. I think it is better safe than sorry.
I agree. What about the grilled chicken sandwich? It is completely nut-free.
Are you sure it is safe? I do not want to visit a hospital on my vacation.
It is 100% safe. We prepare it in a clean, separate area of the kitchen.
That sounds wonderful. What comes with the sandwich?
It comes with a side of French fries or a small green salad.
I will take the French fries, please.
Perfect. 1 chicken sandwich with fries. Safe and sound from any nuts.
Thank you for checking the ingredients. You are a lifesaver.
It is my pleasure, David. We want you to enjoy your meal safely.
I really appreciate it. The customer service here is excellent.
Thank you so much. Your hot food will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Sounds good. I'll just drink my water and look at my map.
Let me know if you need anything else before your food arrives.
Will do. Thanks again.
Paying the bill at the restaurant.
Excuse me, miss. We are ready for the check, please.
Sure thing. Did you save any room for dessert today?
No, thank you. We are completely full.
We have a fresh chocolate cake. Are you sure?
It sounds delicious, but I cannot eat another bite.
No problem at all. Let me clean the table for you.
Thank you. The food was absolutely wonderful.
I am so glad to hear that. How was your steak?
It was cooked perfectly. My friend loved the fish, too.
That is great. Here is your bill in this black book.
Thank you. Oh, I have a quick question.
Yes, what can I help you with?
Can we split the bill, please?
Of course. How would you like to pay?
Can we put half on my card and half on his card?
Yes, I can easily split it down the middle for you.
That is perfect. Here are the 2 credit cards.
Thank you. Wait, there is a small problem.
Oh no, did my card decline?
No, it's not your card. I made a mistake on the paper.
What is wrong with the bill?
I accidentally charged you for 3 glasses of water, not 2.
Oh, I see that now. We only had 2 bottles of water.
I am very sorry about that. Let me fix it in the computer.
No worries. Anyone can make a mistake.
Thank you for understanding. I will be right back.
Take your time.
Here is the new correct bill. It's $4 cheaper.
Thank you. The total looks much better now.
I will run both of these cards for half the amount.
Sounds great. Do we leave the tip on the card or on the table?
You can write the tip on the paper receipt when I return.
Okay, we will do that.
Also, would you like a box for your leftover steak?
Yes, please. I would love to take it home for lunch tomorrow.
I will bring a box with your receipts. Give me 1 moment.
You have been very helpful today. Thank you, Anna.
It is my pleasure. Have a wonderful rest of your evening.
Shopping for a jacket in the city.
Hello, are you still open?
Hi there. Yes, we are open for 1 more hour. Come on in.
Thank you. A blue jacket in the window caught my eye.
Oh, the dark blue jacket? It is a very nice choice.
Yes, that one. Do you have it in a size medium?
Let me check the clothing rack for you. 1 moment, please.
Take your time.
Here is a medium. You can try it on in the fitting room over there.
Great. I will go to the fitting room right now.
I will wait right here for you.
Well, I'm back. This jacket is too tight around my shoulders.
I see. It looks a little small on you.
Do you have a large size?
Let me look in the back room. Sometimes we keep more boxes back there.
I hope you have one.
Good news. I found one last jacket in size large.
That is my lucky day. Let me try it on very quickly.
How does the large size feel?
It fits like a glove. It is very comfortable.
It looks great on you, too.
How much does it cost?
The regular price is $80, but it is on sale today.
Oh, I love a good deal. How much is it now?
It is only $50 today.
That is a great price. I will take it.
Wonderful. Do you have a question about our return policy?
Yes, please. What is your return policy?
You can return the jacket within 30 days, but you must keep the receipt.
Perfect. Oh no, wait. I have a big problem.
What is wrong, sir?
I left my wallet at my hotel. I only have my phone with me.
Do not worry. We accept digital payments here.
Really? Can I pay with the app on my phone?
Yes, you can just tap your phone right here on the card machine.
Oh, thank goodness. That is so easy.
There you go. The payment is complete. Here is your bag and your receipt.
Thank you for all your help. You are very kind.
It was my pleasure. Enjoy your new jacket and have a great trip.
Buying souvenirs at the local market.
Hello. Do you sell postcards here?
Hi. Yes, we have a lot of postcards right over here on the wall.
Thank you. I am looking for some small gifts for my family back home.
You are in the right place. We have the best souvenirs in Boston.
These snow globes are very pretty. How much do they cost?
The large snow globes are $15 each.
That is not bad. I do not want to spend an arm and a leg today.
Our prices are very fair. We try to keep things cheap for visitors.
I will take this large snow globe with the little boat inside.
Great choice. It is a very beautiful gift. Do you need anything else?
Yes, I am also looking for a red Boston t-shirt.
We have many shirts. What size do you need?
I need a size medium for my younger brother.
Let me look at the shelf. Oh, we have a small problem.
What is wrong? Are you out of medium shirts?
Yes, the red shirts are very popular. We only have large and small left.
Oh, that is a shame. A small is too tight and a large is too big.
We do have a blue shirt in size medium. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please. Blue is a nice color, too.
Here is the blue shirt. It has a picture of a funny lobster on it.
Oh, I really love it. My brother will think it is great.
It is a very fun shirt. So, one snow globe and one blue t-shirt?
Yes, that is everything. How much is the total?
The total comes to $35.
Okay. I will pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card into the white machine on the counter.
Okay. Oh, the machine made a loud noise. Did it work?
No, the screen says error. The internet is very slow in the market today.
I do not have any cash on me. What should we do?
Do not worry, we can try again. Please take your card out.
Okay, the card is out.
Now try to tap the card on the top of the screen instead of pushing it in.
Let me try that. Okay, I tapped it.
There we go. The green light is on. It worked like a charm.
That is a relief. Thank you for your patience.
It is no problem at all. Here is your shopping bag and your paper receipt.
Thank you for your help. Have a great day at the market.
You too, Henry. Enjoy the rest of your time in Boston.
Thanks for practicing with us today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more real-life English. Tell us your favorite dialogue in the comments. Enjoy your English practice and have a great day.